You ever just walk? Oh wait. Do I want to turn Echoed Pain off? Because every time I try to hit the crystals don't take the damage from Echoed Pain. Also dis, please. Big man. I'll try. More like Sup the Nerd. Please work. Oh, it did work. Wow. I'm happy. Oh no, please work. Okay. I almost. He's after me. Wait, if you don't attack Adavel, Devotion doesn't apply to you. Nice, I'm gonna not attack him. Oh, rip, Ozzy. Okay, no, now it does apply, damn it. He got Hellion. This is a weak, I would like assistance with a cultist. I need that man for my pregnant. I'm probably lagged out and dying. Yeah, I'm 1000% getting PC'd. It's being stubborn as fuck. Or not, I guess. Just teleport me into the future. Oh, and I almost did die, actually. 30% health. There's a jailer cultist somewhere. Okay, there he is. Cultist, help. That man is sending suggestive images to my phone. Eventually, I'll have a chance at, like, 1 second of not fucking lagging. I probably shouldn't have burned Echoed Pain, also help. How to help other than just taking it. Help. Of course you'd run away, and then also dodge. Have a cultist. Fucking ploy range, Jesus Christ. Snipe them from over here. Cultist. Uh-oh. Wait, Adavel applies weakness? That's not fair. That was a tier 2 thing. Fuck off with that.